In 2025, working smarter means using the right AI tools. Today, let's look at 5 AI tools you should definitely be using to boost your productivity fast. First up is ChatGPT. Whether you need help writing emails, coding projects, brainstorming ideas, or learning new skills, ChatGPT acts like a personal assistant that's available 24/7. It's changing the way people work by making information faster and easier to access. Next, we have Notion AI. If you're managing tasks, writing documents, or planning projects, Notion AI is a must-have. It helps you organize your life and create content quickly, all inside one smart and flexible workspace that adapts to your needs. Third on the list is Midjourney. Creativity has never been easier with this AI art generator. Just type a few words, and Midjourney turns your ideas into stunning visuals. Whether you're designing graphics for a project or just exploring your imagination, this tool makes it fast and fun. Coming in at number 4 is Jasper AI. This powerful writing tool helps marketers, bloggers, and businesses create high-quality content in minutes. From social media posts to detailed blogs and ads, Jasper AI saves time while keeping the quality top-notch. Finally, there's Runway ML. If you've ever thought video editing was complicated, Runway ML will change your mind. It offers incredible AI features that make editing videos fast, simple, and even fun, whether you're a beginner or a pro. These 5 AI tools are reshaping the way we work, create, and communicate. If you want to stay ahead in 2025, it's time to start using them. Which tool are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and AI tips.